Okay, good day. So I'm Engineer Carlo Romero, and I will be now presenting our research paper entitled IoT-driven hybrid microgrid simulation for energy efficient smart industry. Together with Dr. King Aaron Tecto, please allow us to present our paper. So this is the diagram illustrating the key components of Industry 4.0, as known as the Fourth Industrial Revolution, representing the current trend of automation and data exchange in manufacturing technologies. So the diagram depicts the concept using a central hub labeled as Industry 4.0, surrounded by various technologies that contribute it. Now, for the background, we know that there is a growing energy demand. So therefore, since there is a industrial production which is very energy intensive, and we know we currently rely on fossil fuels, the problem is it leads to greenhouse gas emissions, air pollutions, and not only that, there are traditional energy systems that uh, exacerbate climate change and even uh, contributes to the environmental degradation. Now, it is important to have an energy or a sustainable energy solution. How can we do that? By choosing cleaner alternatives. So instead of relying to fossil fuels, why not renewable energies? Which, example, the solar energies and wind, it can really reduce the carbon footprint. Actually, it was supported by the global goals by the United Nations promoting a sustainable energy. That's why we will be integrating smart technologies to enhance efficiency and even solve problems in environment. So we will be integrating devices. We will be calling it at Industry 4.0 integration. Now, our target is to make this cheaper and but still energy efficient, lower operating cost, and in terms of energy security, it must be competitive in a low carbon economy. So not only that, we also knew the importance of to have a sustainable system. So we need to solve challenges, problems such as the growing energy demand by the unsustainable uh, system with fossil fuel, and we need to solve the problems arise in the fossil fuel, too much reliance in fossil fuel that may contribute to climate change, pollution, and resource depletion. Now, there is a need for renewable integration, and that is we would be presenting the renewable energy such as solar and wind, which is very essential to reduce carbon footprint and achieving sustainability operation. Now, not only that, we also know that the testing feasibility, simulating a hybrid of a real time is critical, but we cannot do it directly. That's why we need to simulate so that we can optimize efficiency and as well as align it with the industry 4.0. Now, the objectives of our study is to design and simulate hybrid microgrid. We will be using Packet Tracer as our platform. Through this simulation, we can integrate renewable energy sources such as wind and solar, and also showing battery storage to support sustainable industrial protection. That's why we will be using IoT devices in automation for microgrid optimization, and also provide insights in the application and benefits of hybrid microgrid. So now this is the smart industrial simulation, which is the diagram presenting the industry 4.0, but this in this case is a layout of a smart industrial simulation. It indicates, it illustrates how various industrial devices and systems are connected and communicate within a simulated environment. So it also divided into several sections. The green one is the industrial network. The magenta one is control room. The solar farm is the yellow, and as well as the wind farm, the light blue, and the office network, which is the orange. These connections between, or the connection between these sections show how data flow to the network. We use Cisco Packet Tracer to simulate it for educational or testing purposes, allowing users, researchers to visualize and understand the networking aspect of a smart industrial system. Now, here is a smart industrial network topology showcasing the architecture of a network connecting various industrial components and systems. The network is segmented into several key areas. What are those areas? We have industrial network, we have control room, we have the C network, the LAN, and the office network. So the diagram emphasizes the interconnectedness of these different network segments, which the core router plays a vital role in route traffic between these areas, ensuring seamless communication. And as well as the figure here is the IoT connected device home page. So what is this all about? This is all about a control panel interface like part of the simulation or monitoring system of the industrial smart IoT device. So the interface shows the web browser indicating a list of connected IoT devices. As we already know, for the battery specification in the figure number 5, it shows a specification sheet for a solar power, labeled as battery spec. But despite the caption, the content describes the data of the panel handling characteristics. That's why we have showing a positive and negative 20% tolerance, which is a logarithmic scale likely chosen to efficiently represent a wide range of power level. Now, also, we have this graph displaying the results of environmental variable monitoring over a 24-hour period. The key takeaway is the clear diurnal or daily cycle of sunlight, peaking around midday and decreasing towards the dawn and dusk. Now, as we also continue, the image is uh, the electricity production peaking during daytime, which in this presentation, it shows a solar panel depicting 128 watts of power at the time of the screenshot. For example, we have 123 30. Then we can also have a battery connected to the system, likely storing excess energy generated by the solar panel. And also there are devices here showing small-scale power system simulation at its peak production time, highlighting the relationship between solar panel or output and the battery storage, and also the power distribution to a server. And as well as the example of the webcam broadcasting when motion detector is triggered. Okay? And also the summary as well. We just summarize that the sources here are solar panels. Then also we have energy storage using battery. Then we are using lights, cooling units, and production power lines as our industrial consumption. We will be using IoT integration and as well as separating network for control offices and production and security. So our findings, our system is renewable because, or our system is sustainable because we use renewable energy as we know that renewable energy reduces carbon footprint. Based also in the diagram, we show efficient how IoT and network segmentation is enabled to secure, to be efficient, as well to be automated. Conclusion, we have a successful hybrid simulation. So that's all. And thank you and God bless.